ขอบคุณมีไข่มากเลยแกนตันฟิชชิ่งเอมิลี่น้ำลงเลยกดnumber 4 not bad okay to go home next time good morning happy Monday today more stupid try today but stupid carp more hunting carp here in Sweetwater again มีโกนขมายมาเนี่ยมีเด็กคนหนึ่งมาตกเบ็ดด้วยแล้วก็ grandpa ทางนู้นโอเค set up fishing pool ก่อนครับ set up fishing pool สุพรรณ must to try curb ได้ไรดังไง I must to try curb friend YouTube ตั้งอ้อบ้านไงนะ must to carp fishing carp today thank you see you later when I got a fish set up my pole Say hi to the camera, man. Come here. Say hi. Say good morning. Say good morning to the camera. You don't want in YouTube? Huh? You don't want in YouTube? Why not, man? Help me out. Subscribe me. Huh? Come say hi to the camera. Good morning. Who you telling the camera? Come on. Why not? Yeah, okay. That's a lifestyle. If you got a fish, I will call you, okay? When you got a fish, I will call you, okay? Show me love, okay? Show your friend I'm fishing in YouTube. You understand? You're gonna go home and show your friend. Say, oh, I'm in YouTube. Oh, yeah, hey. I love you more than I can say. Right. Thank you. He got one. A Paul got one and มาว่ะลอยมาว่ะ big one ทมครับใหญ่ Got it? You got it? Bring it up. Wow, nước tiên lang lơ vào đôi. Okay, he got one. It's cold today. หนาวชิบหายเลยวันนี้เย็นเชียบเลยมาตกเบ็ดแต่เช้านี่เย็นเชียบเลย Happy USA นะครับ Sweetwater in California San Diego California หนาวจีหนาวเย็นเชียบแต่ตะวันกำลังขึ้น Oh the sun right now okay beautiful day today First carp. First carp, first carp. Today, Sweetwater first carp bite. First one for today. Thank you. ขอบคุณครับ ขอบคุณ มีไข่มากที่มาเลย This carp gonna bite soon. Right now ปลากำลังกินครับ ปลากำลังกินแล้ว Try to bite ปลากำลังกินนะกินหยุดกินหยุด Big mouth bass ไม่เป็น I got big mouth bass Big mouth bass about 2-3 pounds Yeah about 3 pounds
Here.
Like what? 3 pounds, 3 pounds? A lot of goose. Oh, misses all the time, no.
Swift was eating.
ฮะเนี่ยเบอร์ได้อยู่แล้วเนี่ยตัวใหญ่ไหนปลาปลาอยู่นั่นบานทมมาหมูนี่Carp Grandpa ជាមួយ grandson fishing every week. How big? Oh, there's a big one. Yellowtail. Yeah, big carp. What's your name?
Ollie.
Ollie?
Yeah.
Oh, why? Grandpa got one, huh? Whoa, four already. Four now, huh?
Still waiting for a bite.
Huh?
Still waiting for a bite.
Yeah. Yeah, four big one. See?
First one.
Bán buôn à? No, don't know. See my hope. Đâm đôn tầng pi tầng bay à. Mười đâm đôn. Fish on. Oh. Why all the time?
Because man, you're letting
It broke it off. Broke it off. I lost two carp now. Right now I put another pole on. It's a big carp. I can't believe it. It's stuck in there.
Yeah, it always gets stuck. Same thing happens to us.
Come on, baby. Hit the road, Jack. It's a baby in there. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Carp. Have egg in there. Beautiful, right? Okay, see you next one. I got it. Let's go here. Yeah, let's go here. Let's go here. Card number 4. Strong card. Look how strong the fish. Don't want to come in. Don't want to come in. Because my line too small. Yeah. Also right there. There we go. Don't put more. Make it fire.
Want to measure it?
Oh, the same. Oh, it's nothing different. Same size. Oh, the same size. Got number 4. Number 4. It's a man right here. He just get here today. Fishing carp. He just get here. Fishing carp. Okay, now I'm cleaning up. Ready to go home. Clean up to go home. Ooh, parked off also for my neighbor. I don't know how many fish he got. How many fish you got? pull it up.
Man, we don't even know.
Yeah? Whoa! So many fish! Wow! My God. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not bad.
Yeah, not bad, man.
Okay. To go home. Next time we catch more fish, right?